And that was My Yogi's Never Alone, the new hit single from Delicious Penis. They're certainly an upcoming band. That song was rubbish. You're here with your host, Boring Kosika, on See You Next Tuesday Radio for another hour of constantly interrupted music and shit advertising. And what time is it, folks? You guessed it. It's almost time for that mystery sound. Today we'll be giving away $500 cold, hard, crispy cash. And I think we have 5 callers lined up today, ready for a crack at that mystery sound. Caller number 1, you're on the air. What's your name, mate?
Hi, Boring. We're so excited to be on the show. It's just a minute here.
Great to have you with us. Have you played the mystery sound before?
Oh, yes. Boring. I've played many.
No? Well, don't you worry, Justin. It's really easy. Here's how it works, Chopper. I'm going to play you a sound. You need to guess that sound for a chance at $500 cold, hard, crispy cash. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, Justin, you have 5 seconds. What is that sound?
It's a goat, Boring.
No, it isn't.
What?
Sorry, Justin. You just missed out on $500 cold, hard, crispy cash.
What?
Thanks for playing. Caller number 2.